Would you like to learn to knit? Well, how do you get the yarn onto the needle? That's the first thing you need to learn. So today, we're gonna learn how to tie a slip knot. Let's go. Let's put our yarn like this. And here's the end of it. Take the end of your yarn and cross it over the other side. Take this side here, there's your end. Take the side with the end and make another little teeny loop and hold it. And you're gonna put it through the back of this one and pull it through. Here we go. Lift it up and put this one through. Okay, now watch my hands. I'm gonna take this one. This hand, I'm gonna kind of pinch those two together and just kind of pull it through. And there's your slip knot. Now you want to make it a little smaller, so just gently pull on it. And then you can put it on your needle. Tighten it up a bit. And there you go. You're almost ready to knit that scarf. Happy knitting!